Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Speedway. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you are watching this my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video, and you can also join my Telegram group for free indicator. So I share free indicator on my Telegram group. So it's on the video description. Kindly join and meet some pro like you. So in this video, I'm going to share you a secret that I use to take my spike every day. I'm going to show you a settings that I use on boom 1000 and crash 1000 to catch up my spike every day. So as you can see now that I'm on my main chart, this is my main chart and this is my window 1. So I only use my window 1 to catch up a spike. So I want you to do something on your main chart before we move on. So press on your main chart, you will see that you can control the movement of the trade now. So I want you to shift it to the last zone. Shift it to the last zone. So if you shift it to the last zone, it will help you to determine your resistance and your support level. So what I really mean by this level is this now. As you see the trade now on this level, now, if you're a kind of person, you will think that maybe the trade is going to spike, is going to spike up in a little bit. But if you enter a market in this level now, you will see that it is a fake trade. So if you move it now, you will see that the moving average is already in is in 35 level. You see, so it helps you to identify your your support and resistance level. So let me tell you how I use this strategy to catch up a spike, and I'm going to share with you at the end of this video the settings of this window 1. So now, for me to identify it, I look for my original level. You see now, I don't have original level here. This is not my original level. It's just a chart to confuse you. This also is not my original level zone. It's not my original level because when you keep on moving it, it's jump up. So when you see one that it does not jump up, it move from the beginning to the end like this. You see this zone. When you keep on moving it, see when I move it from the beginning, to the end, you see it still remain on that on that zero level. So this is the type of trade that I ask you to take. So when you see your moving average on that particular, which is this, on your moving average, which is the red color 9 there, and also your average zone, which is green, and the other one, and when they meet at this area, when the three of them meet together at this area, then you can really enter your spike, and it spike up to this level. So you see that. See, so let me show you what I really mean by that. Is that when your moving average, which is the red color here, when it reach up the green color, when it reach my 100 negative value here, you see that is exactly my time for me to enter the trade. At this level, you see, at this level, you enter at this level because it meets the red 9 at this particular time. So you enter this trade particular time and you catch up your spike up to this level. When you reach your 100 level, or when you reach above your 35 level, then you can take out of your trade. You see that? So when you confirm that source is original. So let's look for more on boom 1000. You see now we have one here also. You see this particular zone and this particular zone. So let me move it now for you to see. So when you move it from the beginning, you see from the beginning is already fake. So which one is the original between the two? So you see that. So when this particular trade enter into your 100 level, then you enter your trade, and when you enter the trade and the green color 9 and this color, they join together at this level, then you enter your trade and you catch up your spike to this level. So when you take it up your spike, then you really as good as profit. So let's see more. You see this is fake because you see it does not sit on that zero level. It does not sit. This also is also fake. It's not sitting on it. So let's look for more. You see they are fake. So see, I got one here now. Check this particular this particular level now. You see it sits on that what on that particular side. So let's check it up. So when you're red, when the two moving average now they sit on this particular time and they meet together at that particular level, at this particular level now, they meet together, then this is the right time for you to enter the trade. So when you enter your trade at this particular time, you enter it at this particular time, so you can easily catch up with your spike up to this level. So you can keep on practicing using this strategy on boom 1000. So let us also go to crash 1000. On crash 1000, this is crash 1000. You can also use this to take up a spike. And let's see what is going on in crash 1000. You see, so your taking spike side now will be on on the upper side, which is this level. It's going to be at this level. So let's check up the original seat now, original moving average there. You see all that one are fake because they are jumping down. So we have the original one here now. This is an original one now. It's sitting on that on that level for long time. When you move it from the beginning to the end, it still sits on that particular side. So when you see that your trade is coming down to that level and it remain original, which sits on that particular side from beginning to the end, so you can easily enter when this my moving average red, when it enter that my 9, which is 90 level. When you enter my 90 level, you enter the trade, and from this trade you take up your spike down to this side. You see, there's a secret behind this. And also let's check for more. You see all these are not are not support because they are fake. So let's check for more. You see this one, this is what is it's right. This one is right now. So when you check that the two, all of them are meeting at this particular point. They are meeting at this particular point. They are meeting at this particular time. So you can easily enter your trade from this level, and from this level you can easily spike. You can easily take your spike down to this level. So now let's see, maybe we will see more. You see this. So you see this. So this one is what is original trade there. That means that is the safe area for you to enter the trade, because it sits on it from when you keep on moving that particular trade. So it sits on it. So when you discover that your moving average and the and all the line they move above the red, which is this, so you enter your trade at this particular level. You enter it at the particular of 90, which is here. So when you enter it, when the red cross the red 9, so you enter it and you catch up your spike up to this level. You take up your spike up to this level. You see. So now let me show you the settings that you need on this. So this is my settings. On my main chart, I did not have anything. On my window one, I have only 3 things there. So the first one is the average direction movements index, which is in the period of 50. This is my style. My plus DI is in green color. So the other color are white in color because of the color of my background. So if I'm using black background, so you can set it up to black color. And also I have my level here, which is 0, 10, 25, 35 and 0, which indicate to me when to take up my spike. So you press on done. When you move back, you will have your commodity channel index, which the period of 14 they apply to this. So your style also, you put it in any of your color choice, so you can have that. So I have my level, which is negative 100, and I have my positive 100 there. So you press on done. Then you move to the last one, which is the moving average. I have the moving average of period of 20, shift of 0, and method to be simple, apply to close. And I have my color, which is red. So then you press on done. So by doing this, you will have it on your main chart. So don't forget, first thing I ask you to do, try to move your screen to the last side, zoom it to the last side. You are using the last zooming, so zoom the chart to the last chart. You know you can control this, so zoom it to the last chart, then confirm it, maybe it's accurate in that particular level before you enter. Make sure it's accurate like this. You see now when you move it from the beginning to the end, it still remain on that particular spot, not like others. You see now this one is in that particular spot, but when you keep on moving it, you see that it's in is in zero. So if you see that this particular thing have reached your level and you want to enter you want to enter sell, and you see now it's going to work against you. So if you are watching my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and like and comment on this video, and also join my Telegram group for free indicator. Thanks.